Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up everything from Walmart and I'm going to share with you our meal plan. I have everything written down on what we're going to have for dinners each night. I was under budget this week on my grocery pickup, which I love to be under $200. And this week I was at $189.43. So I love being under budget and planning out our meals. I'll list them for you really quick. We're going to do Buffalo Wild Wings sauce chicken. I have been obsessed with this sauce. Let me show you. Parmesan garlic sauce. It's so good. So I got this one is the Walmart brand and it's half the price. So I'm going to be trying this out. I'm gonna do a little taste test. So 2 different garlic Parmesan sauces. This Buffalo Wild Wings one is so good. So we're gonna do that one night for dinner. I'm gonna do chicken Caesar salad. It's super hot right now and all I've been craving is salads. So chicken Caesar salad one night. I'm gonna do crock pot pork loin, ground turkey skillet with ground turkey, a little bit of rice and zucchini, super good. Chicken burritos, we do a lot of burritos. Shrimp scampi, I love shrimp and I've been craving it, so we're doing shrimp scampi. And then we're gonna be eating out one night to celebrate a birthday in our family. So let me share with you all the groceries that I got. Super excited to be under budget. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Click that bell button next to subscribe as well so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Let me show you all of the groceries. Okay, so here are all of our groceries for the week. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything that we're going to have for me and my husband and my 2 boys. The boys are 6 and 7, so they require lots of snacks, if you know what I mean. So let me start on this side. I have 2 packs of chicken breasts. We go through a lot of chicken breasts. My husband's gonna grill up on the Blackstone this breakfast sausage. This is the maple flavor, and then also the patties, just original patties. So lots of breakfast sausage will be delicious. We're on summer break right now, so we're sleeping in a little bit and we're having some different kind of breakfasts that aren't quite as quick as the school year breakfast. So love the stuff, and especially cooked on the Blackstone makes it delicious. Some ground turkey for my turkey skillet for dinner one night. Here's the pork loin right here. Let me show you. This is the Applewood smoked bacon, and it's so easy. You just put it in the crock pot with a couple other things, and it's good to go. I absolutely love crock pot meals. If you've been around my channel, you know I share tons of them with you, so I will, of course, record when I make that pork loin. Here's the 2 garlic Parmesan sauces that I already showed you. Some taco seasoning. These are flour tortilla bowls. They are my kids' favorites, so had to get a new pack of these. And then regular taco shells down here. I got 2 boxes of mac and cheese. I just get the Great Value brand, and this is the spirals. My kids love the spirals, so 2 of those for the pantry. 2 of these 2 good yogurts. I have been getting a lot of different yogurts to try out lately, and this is definitely hands down our favorite. And I got 2 of these by the same brand, and it's a coconut flavored. I love coconut yogurt, so gonna give this one a try. I just love, so 2 grams of sugar. It's so awesome. High in protein, 12 grams of protein. So we have been absolutely loving this brand. It is super good. Tuna, I do a lot of tuna for lunches, so just like a little 4-pack of that. 2 of these, they substituted this. I ordered a 20 packets, but it substituted for 10 boxes, packet boxes. Lots of apples. We go through a lot of apples. I had my niece and nephew last week for a couple days, watching them since school's out, and man, those kids, they went through so many apples. So stocked up on some apples. Avocados, we go through a lot of those. Lettuce for Caesar salad night. Watermelon, I got a watermelon last week and it was so delicious. So watermelon again, and it's so inexpensive, $4 I think and 97 cents, so under $5 for that big huge watermelon. I got some diced tomatoes for one of my recipes. Onion, this will be for the pork loin, crock pot pork loin. Sandwich thins I get every week for my husband's sandwiches that he packs for work. bread for my kids' peanut butter sandwiches. Like I said, they're home on summer break, so they eat like 3 lunches. So one of them usually is a peanut butter sandwich. Shrimp for shrimp scampi. Yogurt tubes, a dessert for my kids. This under here is a big old box of eggs, 60 eggs in here. We go through a lot of eggs. I got a box last week, so we're not totally out of it, but I wanted to get another box this week just to make sure that we do not run out, and then we'll be kind of stocked up probably for another week or so. 2 things of almond milk, grated Parmesan cheese. We do a lot of spaghetti and meatballs for my kids, and they love this kind of Parmesan cheese. Sour cream, been doing a lot of dips. We've had a lot of parties and functions lately. Croutons for Caesar salad. This powdered peanut butter my husband puts in his smoothies. It's really good. I put it in my smoothies sometimes here and there, but definitely really, really good powdered peanut butter. So this bread is, I got it because it's 6 grams of protein per slice. So that would be 12 grams of protein per sandwich. And last time I got some protein bread, it was a little bit different and they didn't have that one. So I got this one instead. So I'll try it. The slices are bigger, which is kind of nice. So I like that. Our favorite tortillas that my husband uses every single day. He likes burritos for everything. Strawberries, blueberries, so much fruit, lots and lots of bananas here. And I got a rotisserie chicken. I love rotisserie chicken. It is just a great like snack. You could just cut it up and snack on it for a couple days. So love rotisserie chicken, and I don't get it as often as I should. But these are all of the groceries. I know I mentioned the meal plan earlier, but here it is kind of written down. For dinners, we're gonna do buffalo wild wing sauce chicken. Monday, we're gonna do chicken Caesar salad. Tuesday, crock pot pork loin. Wednesday, ground turkey skillet with some zucchini. Thursday, burritos. Friday, shrimp scampi, and then we're gonna be eating out on Saturday. So there is the meal plan, and here are all of the groceries that I picked up from Walmart for the week. This will last us the whole week. Thanks so much for being here. Hope you have a really great rest of your day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe.